guys! Welcome back to my channel. Win's Life here. For tonight's video, we are having fish. Fish tonight because I had, what did I have yesterday? Oh, pork. I had pork yesterday. So I'm trying my best to, like, if I eat pork yesterday, I wanted to try chicken the next day or fish, unless I'm craving for a specific meat that night. But for today's video, or for tonight's video, because it is dinner, so for tonight's video I am having fish, and this is milkfish, guys, and Chris doesn't eat this kind of fish. I will tell you why later. Later. So this is milkfish, guys, for the people out there that don't know what milkfish is. This is a very beautiful fish. Look at that. Ain't she sexy? Sexy. So guys, for my viewers that don't know what milkfish is, this is one of our popular, can you say that? Yeah, popular fish in the Philippines, and this is called Bangus. B-A-N-G-U-S. Bangus. So in the Philippines we call this Bangus, but in English it is milkfish. So this fish, guys, is very mild flavor, and I love the flavor of this fish. The only problem of this fish, guys, is look at, I'm holding her like, you know, she's she's a piece of art. Piece of art. The only problem of this fish, guys, it's very bony. It has a lot of bones, especially the this part right here, the tail part. That's why sometimes when I make this fish, I just cut it like all the way here, and I don't eat that part. Sometimes I just throw it away. But the best part is the middle part, like from here to here, the belly part. Well, for me, okay, that's the best part. But my sister, she likes the tail part. But you have to have skill because it has a lot of bone, and that's the reason why I don't give this to Chris, because I don't think he knows how to eat fish with lots of bones. But anyway, the head is also the best part for me, guys. And so we do have milkfish that is boneless, and it is a butterfly cut, like they cut the back like this and opened it up, and they remove all the bones one by one. So that one I can give Chris some because there's no bone. But guys, I don't know if it is just me, or if you cook the milkfish like this compared to the one that is butterflied and remove the bones. For me, this one tastes better. I don't know why, but of course, I guess because the bone gives flavor to the meat, and the butterfly style of this milkfish, it's limited on how you can cook it. For this dish that I'm making right now, I don't think I can use the butterfly fish style for this dish. That's the lesson 101 for our fish. So for this fish, what I'm going to do is I'm going to scale it, because if you can see the scale, there's the scale is still here. I haven't cleaned the fish yet, And I'm just going to scale it, remove the guts and all the gills. And I'm not gonna show you that anymore because I don't know if there are some people that don't like to see that. So, and then I'm going to cut it in 3 pieces. And then I'm going to put some flour and salt and pepper. And then I'm going to deep fry it with using our deep fryer. I recently found that hidden in my pantry. That's why now that I have it, use it, right? So that's what I'm going to do. So I'll be back and I'm just going to clean this fish. So here's our fish now, guys. It's all clean. Beautiful fish. Look how fatty it looks. That's fat right there. So the rest of our ingredients, guys, are garlic, onions, tomatoes, baby bok choy that I already blanched. I love blanching my bok choy. And then water and flour for the fish. I'm going to put it on the fish before I fry it. And then what else do we have here? Soy sauce. And I am going to use this chili oil with fermented soybeans, guys. So we are having fish with soybeans. And then our olive oil and salt and pepper. So for our fish, I'm just going to season it with salt and pepper. Both sides. Then I'm going to put the flour. Then we are ready to fry the fish, guys. So guys, our fish is done frying. Nicely done. Look how beautiful it looks. That's why I like putting flour, guys, a little bit of flour when I fry the bangus or the milkfish, because it looks prettier and it doesn't splash too much also when there's flour. So now we are ready to saute. Olive oil. I'm going to put the garlic first. And I'm back using my Hexclad wok. Then the onions. Tomatoes. I'm going to put the water and the soy sauce. And our chili oil with fermented soybeans. About 2 tablespoons. Let that boil. I'm going to put some pepper. I'm not going to put any more salt, guys, because the soy sauce is enough. Then now we're going to put our fish. Then we're going to put the baby bok choy as well. And we don't need to cook this for a long time, guys, because they're both cooked already. And I need to be very careful here so I won't break the fish. And that's it. All done. Ready to plate and ready to eat. OMG, guys. Take a look at that. Looks so good. And it smells so good. And look at my rice. So delicious. It is now time to eat, guys. It's a little late right now, so I am so hungry. So I'm probably not going to do a long eating portion because I'm so hungry. I will just show you the part that I really like, the belly part. And so for the one who doesn't have idea, so let us try the belly part, the middle part. So this is the part, guys, that I really like because there's not much bone on this part. See how there's no bone? And look at all the fat. That is the filet mignon of the fish. Filet mignon. Not filet mignon, rib eye. There you go. The rib eye of the fish. Look how delicious. Let me try some. Look how beautiful the fish. It's perfectly fried. Let me try it. Oh my gosh, it's so good. I want to try the baby bok choy. If it is crunchy, you can hear if it is crunchy. Oh my goodness, it's so good. It's so yummy. But anyway, guys, I'm not going to have a long eating portion or tasting portion right now because I want to enjoy my fish, and because it's a little messy to eat it. And oh, I didn't show you guys where all the bones. So actually all the bones, for the ones who doesn't know, okay, so all the bones are just on this side right here, and there's really not much bone on this side. So but the tail part, there's bones everywhere. So but anyway, guys, I have to say bye right now because I want to enjoy my fish. And hopefully, guys, you will try this recipe if you like fish. And I don't know what else. Maybe you can use tilapia for this recipe if you don't have, if you cannot find this kind of fish from your area. If you're here in United States, I will enjoy my dinner, so I have to say bye for now. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you again later on our next video. Bye for now. Mwah.